a lot, but that's not the end.
Also, I have grown as an individual.
Has been amazing. My journey for the last 8 months has been amazing. There's no other word to describe it.
My journey till now at Xenonstack has been great. I've learned, experimented a lot of things.
My journey till now with this Xenonstack is extremely wonderful.
It has been an amazing experience. I joined as a fresher and I was given a plethora of opportunities to best understand and pick up work that best suits my current and future aspirations.
Having a creative team who work in amazing new technologies is like learning from 360 degrees.
And constantly getting new challenges and given every opportunity to move up, and I'm also feel very appreciated for my work. Working at Xenonstack has developed my skills in so many areas, including problem solving, handling things under pressure, and producing good results.
The learning opportunities in this company is just so enormous that though I started off with the social media person, now I'm into product marketing.
During my current role, I have learned a lot. I have been able to hone my analytical and technical skills.
It is not designing the project and parts, it is designing the values.
I have tried a lot of things, some failed, some worked. In the end, it was a great learning.
When you work in an environment full of positive person who support you in every aspect, you not get developed professionally, you become a solution oriented person.
I am able to understand people better and learn more about the true essence of collaboration. These skills also extend to my personal life.
It's been a life-changing experience for me. It has developed my management skills as well, and working as a team lead and handling working pressure, and it really developed my understanding with people, and it really helped me in my personal life as well.
Only thing yet that you need to have is to believe in the goal and just achieve it. Okay, coming to my career progression, I think I've achieved a lot, but that's not the end. Going from a DevOps intern to a solution architect, cloud and DevOps, it was a great journey as I could clearly see the difference in my professional life.
And not only I have grown a professional, but also I have grown as an individual. If I talk about the mantra of our corporate life is learn, unlearn and relearn.
At Xenonstack, we have developed a solution-oriented mindset, and where people are always ready to take risks, and they are always ready and accept change very quickly. And you can say as the technology evolves, we evolve with it.
The work culture is the key reason I have been able to navigate through various roles with success and encouragement.
And if somebody asks me where do you see yourself after 2-3 years in with Xenonstack, I would say, well, I might just be doing sales, I guess. You never know. So that's, I think, a very good thing.
So Xenonstack is a great place to work. I really enjoy the leadership, a great place to grow your career. So if I talk about the environment, that is really great working environment and wonderful place to learn the new technologies. So every company has a core value, same Xenonstack also having the values that embrace the excellence through the innovation, learning and agility. And professionalism obviously is one of the key core value of Xenonstack team. That respect is also one of them that builds an open and reliable and diverse environment.
The thing I like the most about Xenonstack is that we try experimenting with new things, and every team member has the independence to try, experiment, work on their ideas, share knowledge with the team members. And I believe this type of exposure is very hard to get in organizations.
We are open to take risks and we continuously keep on innovating, keep on moving towards the new things, towards the new technologies, new solutions, working on the different complex problems.
Most loving thing about Xenonstack and you are not limited to your team and department. You have learning as an organization.
Integrity and transparency is the key value of this non-stack. People here are handle things their own and independently handle their work, and people are self-started, not started.
I would recommend my juniors or anybody who wants to join us that they should without any doubt, because the kind of growth that you're going to have after maybe let's say an year or two is just fantastic, and it is going to be no regrets.
Definitely, I will go with the recommendations, because if you have spark in yourself, then you need a team or an organization with you. With you can do great thing with that spark.
I would surely recommend the non-stack to anyone who loves technologies, who wants to explore niche arenas and is up for challenges. Another great reason is we work on new technologies, which gives us edge over everyone, and the techie in us is satisfied.
I would 100% recommend my friends to join the non-stack. I can assure you that the technologies we work in the field of cloud, DevOps, big data, and AI, you won't get exposure in other positions being as a new joiner. Plus, the work culture here at non-stack is an added advantage.
Yes, of course, if you are passionate, you want to learn new things, and you are ready to be a part of the transformation, the technology transformations that is going on, and part of the AI and data ecosystems, and you should really be a part of Xenon Stack.